in your school, we have been very actively pursuing the waste issue over here. So our earlier interactions with ma'am and your teachers, we identified the issue of waste, and we thought it would be useful for y'all if y'all were given a nice system where y'all could recycle paper. So with that idea in mind, we thought that we should invest in a nice recycling machine for y'all, where y'all can take forward. Y'all first of all can deal with your own waste in the school, and then effectively start involving and engaging other schools in your area and the community.
Efforts that we got the paper recycling machine. We had a small training, a short one. There was not much time in our hands at that time, and then we decided that we would have it when the new academic year begins. But because of the monsoons and some other reasons, the program got delayed for these 2 months. And today the beautiful day has come up. We have been eagerly waiting for the inauguration at the hands of Shri Dempo, and I hope that the machine will be of use not only for our students but for all the people around, and we will really definitely make utmost use of it for all the public. Thank you.
Many projects for our students in various schools, and let me tell you that for most of the projects in private schools, the parents give their hand, and in government schools, the teachers and the students do everything. That is why, for selecting a government school, I feel that is the right step by the think tank of 10.
2010, which was more of an exposure project where, I think 30 schools were covered. And I must tell you, when we shared, after a year, Shabana shared the results of the 30 schools. Your school was amongst the topmost in terms of potential schools that could then further the cause. As Mr. Shinde was saying, it is extremely important that we touch government schools, because that is where we feel the breath and the pulse of the state. And I'm very glad that it has come to this stage now that you have a paper recycling plant. Trees are the lungs of the earth, they are life of the earth. And while we do believe community education, if students tell you it is the most effective way, because they are selfless, they don't have any personal greed like we adults do. We have, once we come to a certain age, we become very, very personal focused and family focused. Children aren't like that. They are all very good in their hearts, and we need to preserve that and then take them forward. And I'm very, very glad that your school has taken this initiative of waste paper recycling. And I think it's best that this is effectively communicated by the media at large, to say that this school has been exceptional, and it has gone to the extent of trying to teach the community that this is required. My congratulations to Shabana and her team for doing an excellent job. They have been an anchor support for various of our initiatives, and I am glad this is taking shape. And I would like to assure you, Shabana, that we need to continue with this project, take it to its logical end, and then move on with, because this is something that our whole idea was to connect all the stakeholders of the society. And we have government representatives here, we have the student community here, we have parents, we have a corporate house, and we have a very credible NGO like yours. So I think let's work together, and I think this is the most effective and a genuine way to do it, so that we touch the lives of many as possible. So once again, congratulations, and it's great to see. He said that you are fortunate. I think I am fortunate to be talking to you, because I think at least whatever I say when it goes to kids, they mean it. The adults will take it from here and leave it from here. So I'm a great believer in the younger generation and young kids. And I think they are genuine and they really take it up seriously. Thank you so much.